Okay, I'm using chine log construction for this boat. I don't have a lot of epoxy and it's quite expensive, and I have a plethora of scrap wood. So I'm using what I have. This is either cypress or cedar. I'm not really sure. I went ahead and scarfed it a little bit. So let's glue this on now. So quick thing to note, I do have it, it's in a curved position in both directions. So it's a complex curve, and I'm not gluing it to the edge, I'm gluing it to the pencil mark. And the side panel is gonna sit on top of the bottom panel, like a shelf. Okay, an easy way to figure out what this angle is you just line up your piece of wood and you just use your pencil. The pencil has a slight offset of 2 or 3 millimeters, which is really convenient. So you just run it along like a ball bearing along this top panel here, and it makes the right angle. That's the same thing you do over here to get that nice and tangent. Okay, now I have 2 side panels. Now I'm just gonna put them together and make sure that they match each other perfectly. So I'm just gonna run a belt sander along the edge until they're both equal. All right, there's the curve of the bottom. They're looking pretty good. Nice and smooth. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put all the clamps on this side and then flip it over and do the other side. The bow currently looks like this. I should have skinnied this up a little bit more. So what I have to do is I have to add a vertical strip here, and I have to measure this angle. So I'm using my handy dandy angle measurement tool. Looks like this. There's 2 ways to do it. You either do it by hand with a hand plane, or you find a router bit with the right angle. This angle seems to be pretty close, so I'm going to use this. All right, there's the result. It's pretty close. Okay, to assemble the hull, I've decided to go ahead and put all the vertical bulkheads on the boat. So to do the transom, because this is going to be going up slightly, I made a block of wood that matches this angle. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to hot melt that right here, and that will keep the transom at the right angle. Where the inside of the transom is going to be. Okay, now I'm going to glue the transom in place to the bottom. I'm not going to glue it to the okay, so one convenient thing about this design is the rocker starts at this line and it goes forward. It gradually rises 4 inches, and then from that line to this line is totally flat. So what I can do is this bulkhead can be vertical. There's another one just here in front of it that's going to form the torsion box, but I'm going to attach that one later. So this one will help to shape the side curve of the boat. And then I will add one more bulkhead here that will be removed later. It'll be just temporary, just as a spacer basically. Now I'm gonna attach this chine log. Again, this is totally flat, so this should be on my workbench, and then it gradually ramps up to 1.5 inches, which corresponds to this gap on the side panels, which I have vertically oriented on the floor at the same orientation. So I can measure that, and I can put a block exactly the same there. This one I put curves on it so it'll bend. I just put on this chine log. This whole area is flat. It's straight and flat until it gets to here, then it starts curving inward. So the curving begins here, and I just curved from there to there. Okay, see this little indentation, this S curve? This is the tricky part. So instead of doing a S-shaped chine log, I'm just going to put a corresponding block in the center of the curvature, which is right here. So I will be able to clamp and bend this upwards so that the bottom panel will turn into the S shape. Here's an easy way to do curves. I don't mark anything. I just do one notch, and then I move that notch to the edge of this round disc, and then I make another notch and then move it over again. And as long as you're relatively close in depth, it'll bend evenly. Okay, there's a dry fit of the side panel, port side, and now I think I will glue it up. All right, well, I thought I hit the button, but I didn't. So I went ahead and glued on the other side. It's not entirely perfect, but it's pretty close. This board was twisted a little bit, and so this bow is not vertical. It kind of angles about two degrees. The other mistake I made was the alignment of this panel. It should have been scooted forward about 1/2 inch. The reason I made that mistake is because I had aligned all of these butt joints together, but then I forgot that this one was scooted forward about 1/4 inch, and scooted this one forward enough. I should have started stapling in the front instead of the middle, but I've been trained that you always start in the middle and then you work left and right. But that was a mistake because that one's more forward, so the whole boat is kind of twisted. But hopefully that won't be much of a problem. I can kind of fill that with another strip of wood. There's gonna be a solid piece of wood here anyway. So, but anyway, it's not perfect, but it does look more like a boat now.